Hello, happy Saturday. Ano na, kamusta? What's up? What's going on? Sino dyan mga kapwa team bahay for this weekend? Shitties. Hi Mix, I love you Mix. Love you too. Hi Miss Ma'am. Hello. I miss you though. Miss you too. Ito, ano lang tayo today. Kalmado lang today kasi kagabi. So first time kong like lumabas para uminom in a long while. And I was with my core group of friends. So medyo it was nice to like go back to our roots. Go back to our roots. Pero parang ganun kasi kami before na parang minsan nga thrice a week, 4 times a week lumalabas para mag-inuman, tapos uuwing mga lasing. Tapos the next day, repeat another, parang ganun. Now we all have, para medyo na nahimik kami sa mga kanya-kanya naming buhay. And kagabi lang kami uli lumabas na ganun. So parang, love that. That was so much fun. Loved getting that out of my system. Pero ngayon parang, okay na. Okay na ako ulit. Di ko na kailangan, Di ko na uli kailangang malasing. Okay na ako doon. Masaya na ako doon. How are you? Ayun, surprisingly, wala akong hangover today. Alam mo, like, tequila. Tequila may be that girl. Dati ayaw na ayaw ko, but, Manonood ka ba sa VFF Con? Hindi pa ako sure, actually. Because I might have a schedule conflict that day. Pero if wala, go. Support ako sa sisters ko, of course. Wait, sorry. Ina-edit ko rin right now yung poster for Bekenemin. Ayan. Ako po yung ako po yung gumagawa ng posters namin. So, yan yung tinatrabaho ko tonight. Kaya rin ako nasa bahay lang. But yeah. Anong tequila yarn? Tequila Rose. Alam ko, Cazadores yata kami kagabu. Mga kami. I think 8 lang kami, tapos naka-4 kami na bote. So gago, parang nakatig kalahating bote para kami ng tequila each. Wow. Ikaw pala gumagawa ng poster, OMG. Yeah. I did it when we started viewing parties. I also did it for majority of season 1. Season 2 and Season 3, pinasok ko yung trabaho sa iba. Pero this time around, sabi ko parang, hindi naman tayo as like, gal-gal busy as, the girls on the season. So I think I have time. And so far, nagawa ko pa naman talaga siya. Nagagawa ko pa yan siya. Shit, laban yung 4 na bote. Divik. What editing app do you use? I just use Photoshop. R-Matey version. Yung daddy namin nasaan, ayun, siya ay nagpapahinga din. Actually, we were together last night for dinner before I headed out with my friends. See you tomorrow. Oo nga pala, may nga pala ako buka. Girl, medyo parang hindi ko pa napaprocess ang lahat for today kasi nga medyo mabagal tayo dahil may very, very slight hangover lang naman. But yeah. See you tomorrow at Dua Lipa night sa Rampa. Sa mga makakapunta. Wala namang pasok the next day. So, go nyo na yan. Super fresh mo naman. Kailangan kakahilamos ko lang. Char! Hindi pala team bahay for the entire weekend. No, not the entire weekend. Today. Team bahay today. Haba na ng hair ko ganda. I know. Ang annoying lang kasi parang well, actually, medyo nag-grow out na siya of the awkward stage. It was a bit more awkward, like, a few weeks ago. Pero ang ayoko kasi, ang haba nito, ayan, ang haba niyan. Pero yung dito, parang hindi pa siya kumo-connect. Like, gusto ko parang isang maging, like, same length siya. Anyway, parang busy ka today. Yeah, yun nga, ginagawa ko nga yung poster ng Bekenemin. Nag-edit at a C. Just taking a break at the moment. Mapa shoutout. Shoutout your girl Lizzie. Ayan. Nakakatawa kasi, alam niyo naman, I usually listen to, Sorry, wait. Wait lang, nawala aking train of thought. Yeah, may ibubuksan lang ako dito on my laptop. And then... Ay, Diyos ko. Hey, miss ka na daw ni Shafira. Nasaan nga ba yan si Shafira? Mami ko, pabati ako, happy 18th birthday, Angel Ligutan. Ang mga pa-birthday greetings po natin, kailangan may kasamang birth certificate, yung nakanotaryo. Char. May po landmark pagpapunta ng Apotheca. Marami, kasi nasa siya, poblacion area siya. Sa may 7-Eleven sa P. Burgos, sa likod nun. Isang hi, Sanli, please. Sanli, i-compilation mo na naman yan. Mag-hi ako sa'yo, tas i-compilation mo na naman yan. Saan si Daddy Miggy? He is at his place today. Me time muna kami. Mamiss ko na yung season 3. Panoorin mo ulit. Basta panoorin mo sa Wow Presents Plus. Dun tayo sa official. Rate na daw yung dinuguan from Drag Me. Anong dinuguan? Hindi ako may list dinuguan. Awa na lang. Nabayan, hindi ako nakapagpabati noong August 12. Oh, sorry, late na. Sarado na po yung tindahan. Charis. Uwi na kayo, season 3. Miss ko na kayo. Pwede nyo namang ulit-ulitin ang Pwede namang ulit-ulitin yung season na yan. Patulog na ako, tapos nag-live ka, maya na pala ako matulog. Good morning. Good morning. You can never make me hate you, who love you, ma. Parang mali yun, pero yes, okay, gets. Yung BLK daw nung nakaraan, okay, oh my God, ang sarap nun. Give ko masarap siya. Tapos masarap yung parang may crumble cookie, something layer siya na parang have for me. Gawin mo na gawain mo, ma. Huwag mo ko utusan, di kita nanay. Charis. Excited namin sa podcast niyo with Ren Ivory. Oh my God, girl. Sobrang napagod akong recording that. Like, simula pa lang ng recap. So, we did the interview with Ivory. The exclusive interview is always at the end of the episode, but we actually filmed it first. So, when we filmed with Ivory, it was nice. So, like, as in maganda yung banter and everything. Tapos, nung nag-start na kami ng recap with Versex, parang simula pa lang, tawanan na kami ng tatlo. Kasi, yung energy ni Bakla, kakaiba. As in, like, whenever I'm with Ver, madaldal na nga ako, but when I'm with Ver, like, grabe yung, nag-iiba yung energy, malala yan siya. Ay, akala ko may gawain kayong post. Okay, tapos pag ginawa ko sa live, tapos hindi ko pinapansin yung comments, nagagalit kayo. Saan ako lulugar? Charis. When release ang podcast, I think tomorrow. I think patapos na kami sa editing. I think we might be able to release it tomorrow. It's always either tomorrow or Monday. Talakan with Versex. Dami na namang comment ko, Rick. Tagal na bigay namin episode with Ver. Matuto ka maghintay. Hindi yung lahat-lahat now na. Charis. Kimi lang. Sino bias ng Slasian? Team Pilipinas. Tiklop pagka-yapper ni Mix with Ver. Bakla hindi. Hindi. Lumalala pagkasama ko si Ver. Pero minsan, alam mo yung parang, pag nagsasalita si Bakla, nauuga ako, tapos parang kailangan ko ng time i-process. Kasi shootangin na siya. Award. Correct. Matutong maghintay. Correct. Hi, Mix Love you. I'm a fan. Thank you so much, my love. Team Pilipinas. Uy, Philippines. Correct. My God, yung boses ko parang pagod na pagod. Kasi nga. Oh, also, please do check out, lalo na sa mga dyan, international audience. International audience! Please do check out. I did a podcast called Pressed, PRESSED, press conference with Niropam or Huge Ass Mammoth from TikTok. Straight English ako doon. Napasubo ako ng like straight English the entire time doon. But it was fun. Medyo ano siya, preview siya on the things we touched on sa Bekenemen. Kasi I recorded that with them after ng Bekenemen podcast episode. So I carried over some of the thoughts na nagawa namin sa Bekenemen dun sa press conference. So yeah, check that out when you have the time. Or habang hinihintay nyo yung ano, 'di ba? Habang hinihintay nyo yung Bekenemen. Kaysa yung pinapagalitan nyo kung hindi kayo makapaghintay. Cheers. Okay, pakinggan daw yan. Tama. Ito siya. Press conference. Here it is. Ayan. Press conference, Legionary episode 2 with Mix Chanel. That is me.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Press Conference. I'm going to
Ayan. Same outfit as yung suot ko ng Bekenemen. Kasi as in like, pagka-uwi ko, after namin mag-record ng podcast sa studio, umupo na ako agad para gawin to. So girl, straight English yan siya. Ang soothing talaga ng voice mo for me, award. I love it, pampatulog. Saan? Chat mo sa channel mo para okay, correct. Tama naman kayo dyan. Okay, go. Tune link tayo sa Instagram. Ito na manonood na pero after your live. Yes, wait. Siyempre, punta muna tayo sa GC ng mixologists. Para kayo ang mauuna. Priority ko kayo eh. Charit. Asa na yun? Asa na yung GC ng mixologist? Ay, wow. Nasaan? Asaan yung GC? Hindi ko makita. Naduduling yata ako, te. Where yan? Teka ka lang. Kaya pala pagod talaga. Truly. May isang good luck naman dyan. Kabado na ako sa grades ko. Alam mo, hindi kami ang gumagawa ng grades mo. Kami lang yung tagain ko. Naging teacher. Pero alam mo, te, wala ka nang kailangan ikakaba kasi grades na yan eh. Pumasok na yan na yun eh. Ikaw na yung gumawa niya. When nyo ipopost ang Bekenemen nyo ni Vern Ivory. Either tomorrow or Monday. Sunday or Monday always ang uploads namin. Pag natatagalan kayo, gagawin ko. Char. Wait lang, nag-chat ako dun sa channel, ha? Anong keyboard yan? Cinnamoroll na keyboard! Galing, Miniso. Ayan. Ha, ang dami mong demanding na anak. Pala-desisyon kayo lahat. Mga pala-desisyon kayo. Sure. Ang satisfying ng sound ng keyboard. Kawawa naman ang remix channel na yan. Ano ba yan? Multitasking ka pala niyan, ma. Korik. Mag-ASMR na lang talaga tayo. Good evening. Pwede ka ba, mamis? Sure. Sa sobrang pagod na galit yan siya. Ha? Ali. Hindi na ako makakip. Hindi na ako makikip up sa inyo. Sure. Anyway, ayun. Kamusta naman kayo? Kamusta naman kayo, Jane? Ang dami mong demanding na anak sa true. Ano, mix parade po, drag ko, little lang po, search nyo po. Wait lang girl, naka-live ako, hindi ako makapag-search habang naka-live. Sunod-sunod nagla-live ng mga drag queen ngayon. Ganun talaga pag wala ka racket ng Saturday. Cheers! Tao pa long coat ang buhay. Bakit hindi ka sumali sa Drag Race Royale? All-star seasons are always, they're never by audition. Hindi mo sasabihin na, hindi ka tatawag sa production, hoy, sali nyo ako dyan, gusto ko sumali dyan. No, it's them deliberating and basically sila yung namimili kung sino yung nakakast. So, ano lang tayo, hintay-hintay lang tayo pag may tatawag. Pag may tatawag, sasagot tayo. Ganyan. Daming gastos, mama. Dami kong love sa life. Huhuhatiin nyo na lang bigay. Sorry na lang po. Ganun talaga. Kailangan namin kumitang kabuhayan. Grabe ang FOMO sa Leave Me Alone Piazza. I actually really loved that song. And I actually really enjoyed performing it. I'll probably put that song in rotation sa mga racket. So, makikita nyo siya sometime soon. Pero syempre hindi bukas kasi Dua Lipa nga yung theme bukas, tapos mag-rap ako. Ano na lang. Are you here for Drag Race UK 7? I'm excited for Drag Race UK 7, but I've seen the promos a little bit, pero hindi pa ako nakaka-sit down para manood ng Meet the Queens. But the promo theme is really nice. I love it. It's really gorgeous and parang fairy princess atake. Yahoo, sana masay. Sa takdang panahon, sa tamang panahon. Favors sa Asian A. Ang pinaka-memorable for me, ang pinaka-natatandaan ko right now is yung andito na si Mother, Bernie for another. May selfie kayo ni Vermix. Ito na umiyak. Wala, nakalimutan namin. Hindi kami nakapag-selfie na kaming dalawa lang. Although selfie siya dun sa binidyohan niya yung feed namin, yung live camera monitor namin sa studio. Pero yun lang, I think yun lang yung photos namin together aside from yung pikas naming 4. I interviewed Tita Baby in podcast. Pwede ba kita makolab? Shoot me a DM. Shoot me a DM if I have the time for it. If kaya siya na schedule ko. I always love hopping on to people's shows, guestings. Ang amot ko today ay ako ang mananalo. Correct. You look very fresh, ma'am. Love you. Ganun talaga. I've had a good couple days. Also yesterday, I also had a really, really great session with my therapist. I'm feeling good at the moment. Maliban sa parang ayun nga, medyo pagod, medyo hindi naman malalang hangover, pero parang lethargic lang ako because of the alak last night. Happy for you. Thank you so much. Pupunta ka sa birthday ni Kian and Angel. Not sure pa. Hindi pa kasi akong final na schedule for that day. So let's see if makapunta. But I would love to, honestly. Kasi mukhang pasabog yung show na ginagawa nila. Saan nga ba yun? Wait. Maxi Product. Sino yung ni-root mo manalo sa Slaysian? Well, the Philippines girls, of course. But I have been really loving Ivory. But for me, ang pinakagusto kong makitang manalo, Brigading. Just because parang I love our redemption arc. Medyo parang isa yun sa mga favorites ko on Drag Race. That's why I really love parang nung nanalo si Raja O'Hara, yung season niya with Sonique. I love a good redemption arc. I love Sonique also. I think Sonique also had a really great redemption arc on her All-Stars. Sonique is an example of waiting to go on All-Stars when parang you've evolved as an artist. Kasi talagang, isipin nyo, from early out to winner. Ganun atake ni Madam. I love that. Knew it, huhu, yes. Brigading, yes. Team Briggs tayo. I love Kiana though. I would also love to see Kiana win. August 29. Sa Friday, ang ating VA8. Yeah, oo, yun nga. I have schedule conflicts nga. Any reaction sa sa pagpupush up ni Something Wong? That's something. Char. Sa trailer, parang na-eliminate si Kiana. Bakit? Dahil umiyak siya? Bawal umiyak sa Drag Race? Parang daming umiiyak sa Drag Race, Ako din. Umiyak din sa... Umiyak ako sa episode na... Well, umiyak ako sa episode na eliminate ako, pero umiyak din ako sa episode na hindi pa ako na-eliminate, no? Nasa bottom ako. So, di pa ulit umiyak, ibig sabihin eliminated na. Kayo naman. Tony Chopper Gaming Chair. Yes, it is a Tony Chopper Gaming Chair. Pero pinili ko siya kasi gusto ko yung colors. These are 3 of my favorite colors for home decor. Powder blue, a dusty pink, and a nice cream beige. Nag-upload na ulit pala yung sa YT channel mo after 1 year. Yeah, so me and my social media person have been working on doing vlog content for the viewing parties. Kasi nga naman, andun na ako, so why not i-vlog natin yung experience. But it's mostly focused on the show. Parang gusto ko makita nyo. Kumbaga parang, if hindi man kayo nakakapunta sa viewing parties, merong onting patikim for the viewing parties. Yung mga chika ng mga bayot, yung the performances, though not full, kasi hindi natin pwedeng i-upload ng full ang performances because of copyright reasons. But parang a taste of the Bekeneman experience from the comfort of your own homes. Pero syempre, punta pa rin kayo viewing parties kasi mas masaya yun at mas buo yung experience na yun. Yeah, so if you haven't seen the YouTube vlog, check it out. Excited sa Bekeneman episode Solution Kineme. Actually, I'm also actually really excited for that episode. I don't watch all of our podcast episodes just because I've been in them. But that is one that I'm waiting to watch again. Kasi may mga times na when the conversation gets so good, hindi ko na siya napaprocess lahat in the moment. So parang, hindi ko naalala lahat ng sinabi ko. So, abangan natin yan. Char. Saan po pwede mabuy ng white concealer like yung pang highlights po sa under eyes or drag lang po yung afford po ng mga student. Di po kasi EMS makahanap ng search mo lang sa Shopee white concealer. The white concealer that I use is from Kimchi Chic Beauty. It's not the most affordable, pero siya, super ganda niya for the price. I think magkano nga ba ang Kimchi Chic? Though I think Get Ready With Me. Get Ready With Me has released white shades for their concealer and their foundation. So, maybe you want to check that out. It's a local brand, Get Ready With Me, GRWM. So, ayun. Yun yung, I guess, ma-recommend ko sa yung affordable white concealer. Ma-available na episode 2 ng Bekeneman? Hindi pa. Ang kasagutan ko po ay, hindi po, ate. Bukas pa. 800 plus yata si Kimchi. Yeah. So, it's not the most affordable, pero it's not that bad. It's the best white concealer that I've tried. Hanggang parang ilang taon ko na siyang ginagamit and hindi ko pa siya pinapalitan. So, kailan ka mag-start mag-vlog? May bala ka bang mag-vlog? Meron kaming, I have I think a couple videos that are editing. Siyempre parang, hindi ko naman inaagad-agad yung mga upload. But yeah, I have a few vlog videos that are up for editing. And also, I do mini vlogs on TikTok sometimes lately. Pero as in vlog na gantong upuan chikahan lang, ganyan. Parang anong vlog? Kasi like day in a life, ganun. Nakakatamad kasi, or usually nakakalimutan ko. Like, dadaling ko yung camera ko, tapos nakakalimutan ko naman i-on, nakakalimutan ko chumika-chika, yung ganyan. Ano po tawag sa haircut nyo? Ang tawag sa haircut ko, pinatubo. Pinahaba. Ang tagal ko lang, hindi nagpapagupit, sir. Pinagpipilahan at pinagkakagulahan episode with Versex. Wow, Cory. Hi po, birthday ko po ngayon. Pwede po pag-greet. Sa lahat po ng mga nag-request for birthday greetings, please send your NSO birth certificate. Or ano na ba yung bagong ano? Hindi na NSO, di ba? Hindi na NSO yung birth certificate, Cameroon. Ano daw, ma, do you think po ba, it's bad po ba if yung mga newbie is using fundang Lamela, Ashley Shine to do their drag makeup because my CM is it like that? Like, what the fuck? Ano daw? Hindi ko na-gets, pero, no. Use any makeup that works for you. As long as hindi siya, like, as long as, you know, hindi ka nag-break out, hindi niya naapektuhan yung balat mo, use any makeup. Like, bakit bawal? Sana merong ayuda yung Mixi. Let's see. Sa Wednesday, magkasama kami uli ni Maxi parang ang tagal namin hindi nagkakagig together. So, magkikita kami ni Maxi on Wednesday kasi Maxi will be at our viewing party. Andun din si Kiana. So, for sure, may Maxiana din dun. So, I think pumunta na kayo. Pero pag may Mixi ayuda, tingnan na lang din natin, abangan. Charis. PSA, ayon. Basta PSA certified birth certificate for all birthday greeting requests. Kasi nakakaano yung trust issues kayo eh. Marami kasi sa inyo, birthday this month, birthday next month, birthday next week, para lang mag-greet sa live. Mixi ako, check. Ano yan? Rare pairing, ika nga. Lahat ng ship, galing. Baka meron namang pa-reward sa mga support. Ay, wow. Ay, wow, for the demand siya. Girl? Yeah, char. Anyway, bakit kayo nasa bahay? Ba't wala kayong ganap ngayong Sabado long weekend? Doon ako sa nagsubuan ng chicken dati. Oo nga, sa Vice Comedy. Kung kinakausap nyo kasi ng maayos, di yung pabati kayo na pabati ko, Rick. Tila bagang ang mission ko in life is mag-shout out 24/7. Araw-araw birthday, araw-araw celebrate na existence ko, Rick. Diyos ko po, may pimple na you. Tao kasi ako, be. Normal yan. People get pimples. Hi, ma. Exam ko next week. Good luck. Meron naman dati, may pa-fans day. Yes. Oo naman. Pag may mga tayo, fan meet tayo, syempre. For me, though, why especially for you, babe? Why specifically for you? We're going out, mom. Do you wanna come? Saan yan? Char. Saan yan? Pag-isipan. Charid. Bawal ang mixi. Ano ba? Alaya na, warla na sila. Walang mixi-mixi dito. Galit siya. May mag-post ka naman sa YT ng ibang mong mga mug like sa 3D fractals. I've done... Paano nga? Well, pwede naman. Let's see. Though, it's been a year. So, maybe. Let's see. Kailan ba anniversary ng episode na yun, ng drag? Episode, ano yun? Episode 4? Episode 4? Anniversary na episode. Pwede naman. Baka, Okay, thank you for the idea. Thank you for the idea. Ay, hindi. Wala sa akin yung fractals na runway look ko ngayon eh. We're seeing Ivory's last show, huhuwi na. Oo nga pala, today yun. Hala. Hala, oo nga. Hala, parang bet. Hala, parang bet. Hala, parang bet. Hala, anong oras kayo? Angel, anong oras kayo atake? See you tomorrow, dear. See you tomorrow. Nagising yung kaluwa ko sa narinig the fan meet na. Ala! Wait lang, ang daming nangyayari. Ano pa? Siguro, let's try after the season. Ang daming nangyayari, girl. As in. Parang, hindi na para makisabay pa tayo ng kaganapan ng mga bakla. First impression mo po kay Ivory Glaze. Ivory is very nice. Also, ang first interaction ko with her was, so pagdating ko sa viewing party na Wednesday, I said hi. Chinika ko siya ng very light. And then she was like, wait, I'm sorry. I'm so focused on my makeup right now. I'm very one-track minded as a neurodivergent girl. I was like, girl, felt, you know what? Leave you alone. Bye. I'm gonna go do my tech run and leave you alone for now. Kasi parang, I resonated with her. I related to her in that moment. Thoughts on Venus and Ivory? Medyo siya, nagulat akong may ganon. Pero kasi sa the intervention viewing parties daw yun nabuo. So parang, I wasn't there to see, obviously. But so far sa Station Royale, parang wala pa namang Vivory moments. So I don't know. 12 daw. Let's see. Pahingi good night, matutulog na ako. O good night na sa'yo, matulog ka na dahil remove na kita sa live dahil spammer ka. Kalmahan. Okay ng pagkapapansin na tila bagang entitled sa good night. I feel like need mo mag All-Stars PH. I'd love to come back. But maybe not soon. Maybe not now na. I have a lot of growing up to do. I'm still growing as a person, as an artist, and na-enjoy ko yung work that I do right now, and I'm not ready. Also, walang pera. Kasi malala ang budget na kailangan sa All Stars. But soon, hopefully. Siguro give it ideally mga pa. In like 1 or 2 years, hopefully we get to go back. Di makakatulog ng walang good night mo ang atake niya. Si Siam and Ivory lang international queens here sa page now. Yeah, but I heard they were trying to encourage the other girls to come. I think me and Kitty have exchanged some DMs and Kitty mentioned that she might come here in October. So, let's see. Bakit wala ka sa Station Royale, sis? I can see you there. Nakikita mo naman pala ako dun. Nakikita mo na ako dun. Good for you. Buti ka pa nakikita. Charis. No, it was too soon. Honestly, it was too soon. Nung time na nagfi-film sila na Station Royale, dun ko pinaka naramdaman yung pagod ko from the non-stop work since our season aired. So parang alam mo, nung mga moments ay sabi ko, shit, buti kinakaya ni Kiana. No, nag-uusap kami ni Kiana, nagpe-prepare siya eh. So parang, for me talaga parang, buti kinakaya niya kasi ako, pagod. Pagod na. I love Kitty, yes. I super loved her in the girl group. I think she was the top of her girl group, of the international girls. Pa-shout out po, mother, pang second emosyon mo lang ako, best. Ay, itigil yung spam! Itigil yung spam! Ang OA! Ang laugh trip ng reaction ni Kitty nung nikat siya ni something sa rehearsal nila sa girl group. Imbier na siya! Jivio, nakakatawa siya nung sa rehearsal, ay nung sa recording ng girl group nila, imbier na siya. Makakunin nyo si Yuwa and Suki, please. If they come to the Philippines, we'd love to have them, of course, definitely. But, like, we do not, as an operation, have the budget na kami pa yung mag-sponsor nung lipad nila and accommodation sila. Because that's usually how it is. When you book international queens sa Philippines, not unless they're actually coming to the Philippines by their own decisions, their own accord, you have to pay for the flight, you have to pay for the accommodations. So it's a really big, malaki siya, mahal mag-book ng international queens. But when they're in the country, we'll definitely like, if they come here, if they tell us they're coming here, we're more than happy to book them on the show. Malaro si Kitty Space sa shoota ka. France! True. Ang mag-spam kakati ang likod tapos hindi abot. Correct. Tawang-tawa kami ni Reyna sa kanya. Nakailang ulit kami sa party, Kitty. Bear na siya. Pero ang ganda nung verse niya. Ang ganda ng performance niya. I loved her. She was my favorite on the Slay Mix group. Mom, I rewatched the season 3 Drag Race Philippines. I consider you as the fashion girl in season. Thank you very much. I worked very hard on my runway package. It was my favorite part of the experience, preparing that runway. Girl, if you see, parang, for the first few days after we got all the categories, talagang nag-mood board na ako. And sobrang mabusisi yung mood boarding na ginawa ko for the looks. I really enjoyed that. That's actually what I'm looking forward to if I ever do an All-Stars, is doing the runway looks again. Although I wouldn't necessarily wear all of my runway looks today, I do stand by the decisions I made on majority of my outfits, if not all of them. Kaya nalubog sa utang ang, huy! True. Alam mo, buti hindi, na-deplete ko yung savings ko, pero hindi naman ako umabot sa point na, OA utang-utang. May mga utang lang ako, kasi may mga designers akong binayaran after ko pang makabalik from filming. But, hindi naman like baon na baon. Sakto lang. Pero girl, ang lala, like, lahat ng savings ko mula nung sa time na nasa corporate pa ako, ubus. Gusto ko lang sabihin na love kita, okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. Love you back. How's your health right now? Doing great. I'm doing really good, actually. Fave look ko talaga sa'yo, Ma, yung Kumot Couture, because ang ganda yung pagka-explain yung meaning behind this look. Yeah, that's the Alam niyo naman, obvious naman, mahilig ako sa mga references to like different characters from movies and cartoons and video games. Pero yung Kumot Couture, yung sabi ko, hindi ako mag-reference ng character for this specifically. Because I want, kumbaga parang gusto ko fulfill the brief, ganyan. Thank you for uploading again, Whitey. We love to see more. It's coming. We're editing. We've shot some things, we're editing. Ikaw talaga ang representation ng mga A-type of students. Honestly, I was not an A-type student in school. Hindi talaga. I had like okay grades. Good enough to pass, good enough to, tumuloy sa next year, ganyan. But hindi ako honor student. High school slight. Pero yung mga classroom honors lang. But yeah, I was definitely not an honor student. When on evangelism, we shot the evangelism episode back in May. We shot the evangelism episode back in May. So, I think anytime soon lalabas na siya. I think this season, itong mga next set of evangelism episodes, lalabas na yan. Waiting for Versex sa Bikini Man. Tomorrow or Monday, abangan. Hello po. Hi, Baste. How are you? May nag-send ng question. Hindi ako maka-comment who deserve. Charit. Kimi. Bye, gagawa na ako assignment 12 na. 10 o'clock pa lang, B. Rina sa Miami, I miss you. For me, mas okay po sa'yo sa UK versus the world. I think you'll be more appreciated there or global all-stars. Honestly, girl, any opportunity to come back is welcome. So hopefully in like a year, 2 years, makakapag na ako. Makapag all-stars tayo. I don't know. Let's see. Hoping. Iyak ba kami, Char? Ako, umiyak ako. Hindi ko alam kung iyak kayo. Minty on Bekeneman ulit, mom. Actually, you know what? Design challenge episode. So maybe. Let's see. I'll mention it to Baus. Na parang, oo nga. Para maganda nga yun. Namiss ko yung background mo noon na maraming anik-anik. Yeah, that was my house in Marikina. I have moved out and I now live on my own here in, somewhere out there, out where dreams come true. Charis. Wala, pag umiyak, kaiyak na kami. Actually, parang medyo looking forward din ako sa episode na yun. Kasi nga, parang ilang buwan na since we shot that and a lot has happened in June. Parang, I think we shot it in May or early June. Parang ganun na time namin siya shoot. So, it's been June, July, August, 3 months since. And a lot has happened to me and my personal life since then. Nasa DN si Mendes Design Challenge. Yeah. I mean, for the viewing party, yeah. Pero for the podcast, maybe, yeah. She might be a good guest to get for the design challenge. How's your life, Mix? I'm doing good. Actually, I got to spend time with my close friends last night. My closest circle of friends. Relationships going well. Very happy about that. Career is also going quite well. Happy about that. Mental health, I'm doing quite well. Of course, may mga personal issues pa din naman, but such is life. Therapy session talaga atake ni Evangelist. Waiting me sa dance stand, so ma'am, I always watch your stories. Yeah, I've been taking Vogue classes. So I've been learning a lot more different dips. Happy to see you in episode 1 viewing party. Di lang nakapag-picture, nahiya ako. Girl, hindi ako mahindi sa mga pictures. Tanong mo ba sila, hindi ako mahingin. I don't say no to pictures. So, just approach, just ask. Ask nicely. And I'd be more than happy to take pictures with you. How's your experience with TADS pala sa classes? I love it. I love it there. I've been taking dance classes at TADS for, I think, since May. So for about 3 months na. What are your thoughts in the season 4 of Drag Race S4? Drag Race season 4 as in yung season nila Chad Michaels. Great, legendary, iconic season. One of the first that I watched. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go back to working. Dito sa aming poster, I have a few. May revision pa akong kailangan gawin. But yeah, thank you so much for spending your time with me, everyone. Good night sa mga matutulog na. At ingat sa mga lalabas pa. Enjoy your Saturday night. Bye.